I will show you 6 super easy ways to improve your sales funnel and bring in more money. Whether you're just starting out or have a funnel that's struggling, these tips will help. So, grab a pen and let's get started. Tip 1. Spark curiosity in your headlines. A common mistake businesses make is giving away too much information in their headlines. If you're telling potential customers exactly what you're offering, they might assume they already know it and skip your funnel. Instead, create intrigue by focusing on what it's not rather than revealing everything. For example, instead of saying, "How to double your e-commerce revenue," try this: "The secret strategy I used to double my sales." See the difference? More curiosity equals more clicks and higher engagement. Tip 2. Leverage lead magnets. If you're not offering something valuable for free, you're leaving money on the table. A lead magnet can be a free guide, checklist, or even an exclusive video training. The key is to offer something so enticing that visitors can't resist exchanging their email for it. Once they're in your ecosystem, you can nurture them and turn them into paying customers. Tip 3. Make your sales page easy to read. Your sales page should follow a specific structure to maximize conversions. Here's a simple formula we use. 1. Emotion first. Hook your audience with a powerful story or problem they resonate with. 2. Logic next. Present clear, compelling benefits that justify their decision. 3. Urgency lasts. Give them a reason to act now with limited time offers or bonuses. When you structure your page this way, you'll capture both emotional and logical buyers while creating a sense of urgency that drives action. Tip 4. Add order form bumps to increase average order value. Want to boost your revenue instantly? Use an order form bump. This is the small add-on you offer during checkout, like an upsell at a grocery store. Think about when you're checking out and grab a pack of gum or a magazine. On your funnel, it could be something like add a one-on-one strategy session for just $49. These quick add-ons work like magic and can significantly increase your overall revenue per customer. Tip 5. Create urgency to buy now. Here's a pro tip: never close the loop too soon. Instead of thanking your customer immediately after purchase, keep them engaged by offering an upsell. For example, instead of saying, "Thanks for your order," say this: "Wait, your order is almost complete. Want to enhance your experience with our premium package?" Keeping the momentum going helps increase your average order value and creates a seamless buying experience. Tip 6. Maximize your thank you page with more offers. Your thank you page is prime real estate. Most businesses waste this opportunity with a simple "thank you for your purchase" message. Instead, use it as an opportunity to introduce related offers, upsells, or even book a free consultation. For instance, after someone downloads your free guide, offer them a special discount on your services or invite them to an exclusive webinar. Those are 6 powerful funnel tips you can start using today to boost your conversions and grow your business. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.